Hello traders, Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart, May 18th, Thursday market, weekly option expiry day. Correctly at 1:45 p.m. we have received a sell call, so red color candle open. Every day in this chart it will automatically analyze the market movement and generate calls in live market also. Today after 1:30 a sudden downside momentum, a downside breakout we can say. During that breakout sell call generated. So we know the market situation in downtrend. This chart will help you where to take the entry point and where to exit in the target range. Like this every day it will analyze the market movement and generate calls in live market. Today this sell call also within 40 seconds of the sell call generated, it successfully break out the first target range. The first target range is actually a 100-point first target, more than a 100-point range. To be exact, 43,813. That is our first target range. It is easily breakout. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart means, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We'll provide you the detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.